English learner, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn present, past, future. I walk, I walked. I will walk. I eat, I ate. I will eat. I read, I read. I will read. I write, I wrote. I will write. I learn, I learned. I will learn. I play, I played. I will play. I will play. I watch, I watched. I will watch. I work, I worked. I will work. I speak, I spoke. I will speak. I learn, I listen. I listen, I listen. I will listen. I travel, I traveled. I will travel. I study, I studied. I will study. I drink, I drank. I will drink. I cook, I cooked. I will cook. I drive, I drove. I will drive. I sing, I sang. I will sing. I help, I helped. I will help. I sleep, I slept. I will sleep. I run, I ran. I will run. I think, I thought. I will think. Subscribe for more. Don't forget to share this video and like.